Please subscribe to Smile Please Kids.
Dog. Dog is a pet animal. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, and 2 ears. It has sharp teeth. Its tail is curved and hairy. Dogs are found in various colors, size, and shape. The young one of a dog is called a pup or puppy. German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Bulldog, Doberman, Dalmatian are some popular breeds of dogs. Dog is a very faithful animal. It is considered as a loyal friend of man. A dog guards the house of the owner. Kids like to play with dogs. Dogs can run fast and they can swim as well. Dogs can perform numerous tasks after proper training. Dogs truly are man's best friend.
Thanks for watching.